Cheese plus pizza.
Money.
8 hours of sleep.
Clothes and makeup.
You make me happy.
If the students are happy, it makes me happy.
हमारे बच्चे खुश रहे बस हम खुश हैं और कुछ नहीं.
Imagine a place where scholars, experts, and thought leaders from around the world gather to explore the science behind happiness and share practical strategies to enhance well being. Welcome to a groundbreaking event that is set to transform lives and spread joy across borders. For the first time in India, the prestigious Indian Institute of Management Ranchi, in collaboration with the Reiki Foundation USA, proudly presents the International Conference on Happiness, Science and Practices.
Ranchi is going to host first international conference on happiness. The conference is scheduled for 5th and 6th January 2024 at permanent campus of Ranchi. We have received confirmation from speakers from different countries. More than 100 research papers have been received. I am confident that outcome of this conference will be significant contribution to the literature on happiness. Look forward to your participation.
This conference is a unique platform bringing together the brightest minds to discuss the latest research on happiness. World-renowned experts will grace the stage, sharing their insights on happiness and well-being. Be prepared to be inspired and motivated by thought-provoking keynote sessions that will leave a lasting impact. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of history. Whether you are a student, professional, or anyone passionate about happiness, this conference is for you. This is not just a conference, it's a movement to redefine happiness for the 21st century. Let's come together to unlock the secrets of happiness. Join us on January 5th and 6th at International Conference on Happiness, Science and Practices at IIM Ranchi, a global celebration of joy, knowledge, and positive change.